Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in an Ezy Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in an Ezy Mortgage, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.mazy.com.au. So once you type this URL, you will end up in this kind of interface of the Ezy official mortgage account page. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply scroll down below and tap on existing client. So once you have tapped on existing client, you will be redirected to this page where all you need to do is simply type in your BSB number, and once you have typed in your BSB number, you need to tap on the login option. After you tap on the login option, you will be allowed to get the access of your Ezy Mortgage account. So by doing this, you can simply serve it as per your preference. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.